Hey friends, if you encounter an error occurred while troubleshooting in Windows, then please watch this video. So the main reason behind it is that a few services may be stopped. Whatever be the case, I will share the procedure to reset Windows Update components. Basically, it is a script. So all you need to do is copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what the script does exactly. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register all the associated DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally it will restart the services. So in 99.999% cases, the problem will be solved. But if not, it means that the system files are broken. So to fix that, we can perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.